Hey guys, Alex here from Alex Cox Shooting. Just letting you guys know that my Facebook group, Action Air Division Revolver Enthusiasts, has got a small competition you can shoot in quarantine. Thanks to a member called Craig Arden, this one's out to you, Craig. I've been shooting the 5 stages this morning that he's uploaded to Shoot and Score It under the CV19 Revolver Action Air Tournament, and it's been a blast. So if any of you guys have got your own revolver and you're bored now during quarantine, I recommend you should jump on Shoot and Score It and sign up. I've had a great blast this morning shooting the 5 stages, and the weather has been absolutely beautiful for it as well, I will admit. So let's have a look at those stages went. Oh shit. Oh, one Charlie. Damn. You recording? Mm-hmm.